Hi, I'm Ben Wyatt, and today I'm unboxing another package. So yeah, let's go. Oh, I can see it. So yeah, first of all we got the receipt. Don't need that. Let's open this up a bit. Five, go away. And my friend is here, just off the camera over there. Yeah. And here's a fellow mountain biker, which I am unboxing. Well, I'm unboxing mountain biking. So first of all, here are the Royal race shorts, because I've been needing a pair of these because the weather went off was very, very hot over the years. See what I did there? Ooh, these are really, really nice. Ooh. Ooh. So yeah, that's short. And then here's the real thing. Ooh, do you want to eat that? Do you want to eat some poison? Let's just sprinkle it over your egg tart. Why? No. They're just shoes. No. Fucking hell. Here are the beasts. They smell nice. Shit. These are nice. They're heavy though. Don't feel how heavy they are.
I think they're downhill shoes though, so they're meant to be heavy.
Yeah, but here are the clippy. Are these the clippy on things? I didn't get the clippy on things. I can always get the clippy on things off my other clippy on thing bike. So these are the shoes.
No, you're
Fucking proper nice. Now go in my kit. Yeah, I'll just get them off here.
Yeah,
One for these pieces of shit that are too big. Very, very shit. So yeah, let's try them on. Let's try them on for signs. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah. Ah! When Faye wants to be fingered. Okay. Oh, yeah. It's fucking perfect. Not my fault. It's God's fault for bringing them up. These are proper nice. And I'm making a YouTube video here, so do you mind? That is my unboxing for today! Ah! Yes, they're yummy Shimano SPD shoes!
Ben?
Yo! Can you go away? I'm making a YouTube video.
Hang on then.
right.
Go away. Got no friends.
My shoes.
Thanks. So yeah.